Hi guys, last time we see the how create a new React project tutorial. This video we will see what are the types of component will be there in React, which is there are two types of components in the React. One is functional component, another one is a class component. We can use any one of these to create that components to call it. It's like the same thing. How it we working in JavaScript. So it's like a JavaScript function, and we working as a class components also written as a JavaScript class. So we will see how it was create, how we will be working. Under that component, I'm create that one of the one file. That name is I'm given a function component.js. Instead of this, I will give that RFC, which means it's give the template. Actually, I'm using the JSX snip extension. If you want, you can download in the extensions. I'm using this one. So just I'm get the template from the extension. So this is that functional component. So functional component, we give the function name and assign a function. So instead of function, it has a return. Every function has a we have to declare the return. So instead of return, we give an HTML code. So I'll give the name React function component. Yes. See, instead of return, I'll give that HTML code, and above the return, it was in JavaScript. We can create any logics in above using JavaScript, and we will see how it was working. Okay, we created and I saved this, and I call the function name should be function component. This one, yeah. Why it's showing error is we call the function. We have to. We opened the function. Once we have to close like this, or else we will give a slash. Okay, now see that once compiled, we will see in browser. See, this is functional components from the child called from, called from the functional component. This is how we rendering functional component. We will see the class component. How was class component rendering? Again, I'll create that new file under the component. I give the class name. File name is class component.js. Okay, here place is I'm give that RCC, which means React class component. So I'm getting a template from this extension. Yeah, yes. So this is the class React component. How it was working, we will see. First, we declare that class name, and I called this is the component. This is the component, and instead of this, I'm giving a render. Instead of render, we have to return the code. We did have to return the HTML code. The same thing what we did in function component and class component. See, functional component we given only the return, but here is we have to given a method. That method name is render. Instead of method, we have to return a we have to give the return. So instead of return, we have the same thing what we did in a functional component. We have given the HTML code. So then this we have to given in HTML code instead of render. So here please I'm given the class name. Just given that class component. Yes. So this is the method for render the HTML code, and we can write a JS code. We can we can declare a JavaScript any logics in above. We will see how this will be working. Again, I will call her the class component. Yes, I close this, saved, and once compiled, see in browser. Yeah, see how it is. Okay, H1 H1 tag. Okay, see, this is how it's work. This is from the functional component. This is from the class component. Both are same. For the you can use any one of these. For the beginners, I will suggest that you can use that functional component because functional is easy syntax and easy to code also. Next video, we will see that difference between the class component and the functional component, which is the best in efficient ways. We will see in the next video. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.